Hello, good friends, welcome back. Let's get this resolved as fast as we can. This is we're told to divide the LCM of 36, 64, and 108 by the HCF, by their HCF, okay? And LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is the smallest number that is a multiple of 36, 64, and 108. Okay? And then we also have HCF, which is highest common factor. Highest common factor. That is the biggest number that can divide 36, 64, and 108. And we are going to solve them in one. Right? Before we run the division. So we bring 36. Yeah. We have 64. And then we have 108. Good. And we break them down using only prime numbers. So any number that is able to divide the three of them will be their HCF. But anyone that can divide at least one of them is the LCM. So anyone that will take good, when we get the HCF, we always take it good. But anywhere is the LCM, we can take it bad. So we start. The lowest prime number that can divide any of this here is 2. So we have 2. 2 into 36 is 18. 2 into 64 is 32. 2 into 108 is 54. So because 2 was able to divide the three of them, it is a HCF, and we take it good. 2 can also go again. We use 2. We have 9. We have 16. We have 2. And 7. Good. 2 was also able to divide the three numbers, so we take it good. It is both HCF and LCM. Then we use 2 again because 2 can divide at least one of them. 2 can divide this, but cannot divide this. I can also not divide this. So we use 2. We have 9. We bring down the way it is down. We have 8, and then we have 27. 2, because he was unable to divide the three numbers, it's not a HCM, but it is the LCM. So we use 2 again because at least it can divide one of the numbers. We bring down 9 the way it is. We have 4, and then we have 27. It was unable to divide the three numbers, so we use 2 again. We bring 9 down the way it is. The 4, we have 2, and then 27. All right. We use 2 again. It was unable to divide the 3. We use 2 again. We have 9. We have 1. Then we have 27. It was able to divide at least one of them. It is not the HCF, but rather LCM. So 2 cannot divide because these are all odd numbers. So we use 3 now. We have 3. We have 1. We have 9. It was unable to divide a 3 because you can't divide 1 using 3. So it is not a HCF. So you cancel it. Use 3 again. You have 1. You have 1. And then you have 3. It is also not. You have 3. You have 1, 1, 1. So the LCM now is what we're going to calculate. LCM first. The LCM equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times, how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 3 times 3 times 3. That's the LCM. 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 24. 24 times 2 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. 128 times 64 is times 2 is 8, and 128 times 3 is this 24. 4 carry 2. 6 is 8, and we have 3 times 3 again. We have 12. 2 carry 1. 24 plus 1 is 5 carry 2. 3 times 3 plus this is 11. times 3, we have 6, 5 carry 1. This is 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 3. So we have 3,000. The LCM now is, therefore, LCM equal to 3,456. Okay, and then the HCF is the only numbers that we take with, which is 2, which is 2 times 2, and it is 4. The HCF is 4, and the question is divide the LCM by the HCF, and therefore we have 3,456 all over 4. You use 4 here, you have 1. 4 cannot divide 3, you have 8 carry 2. Into 25, you have 6 carry 1. Into 16, you have 4. So the answer is 864. And that is how it is resolved, friends. Bye.